how I start my day. I start my day at 6 o'clock in the morning, or 6:45. I'm at my parking hub, where I park about 200 cars nearly. At 8:30, I'm in my saloon. I operate about 2 saloons in Bangalore, one at Bowring Institute, one at the KSA Club. So, till 10:30, I'm in the saloon. After that, I go back to my office. It's located on Victoria Layout, where about 18 staffs and 137 drivers. With all this, after finishing my evening work at 5 in my office, again I go back to my saloon. I'm there till 8:39. Again, I go one more round to my hub where we park the cars to see that all cars are come in with a proper condition. These drivers do a lot of mischiefs. Check all those things. I return my home at around 11:30. So this is the journey of my life. I was born up in a poor family. My father was a barber. He passed away when I was just 7 years old. I was in the second standard. I was doing my midterm exams. Around 11:30 or something, someone comes and calls me, say that your father has passed away. He met with a massive heart attack. It was a tough day for my mother, who brought us, started working as a servant. And giving us one meal. In the family, we are 3 of us, my brother and one younger sister. It was very difficult to what to say. Somehow I grew up till 8th standard with one meal. Then I started working as a part-time, early morning newspapers, milk, supplying milks to apartments. Then somehow I finished my 10th standard. And I joined evening college. My father had a saloon on Brigade Road, which was given to someone to run the show. They were paying us only 5 rupees a day. On 5 rupees a day, my mother used to run the whole family, with no uncles, no relatives helps. The person who was running my saloon in Brigade Road was very stubborn, and one day he ignored to give money. My mother was crying. I came home. Mother told me this, the shop running person is torturing us. Then I told my mother, why can't I take it and run it? She told me, you are very young. I told, let me try. There's no harm in trying it. That's how I got. In the mornings, I used to be in my saloons. Evening, go to college. The saloon business used to start early morning at 6 o'clock. I used to finish by 5, then go to college. Again, come back in the evenings. My saloon was open till midnight, 12 to 1 o'clock. My working hours extended almost 16 hours a day. So that is how I came into my saloon business. They call me a Baba. In 93, I had saved little money. My uncle had bought a car. It's my own father's brother. So I wanted to do something. So I planned to buy a car, the Maruti Omni van. So somehow I could buy the car with my grandfather helping me out to take a loan with Karnataka State Finance Corporation. That was the only bank which used to give loans those days. After buying the car, I thought I'll keep it for self-use. The EMI was about 6,800 rupees, and whatever saloon business I used to run, it was not sufficient to pay my debts and EMIs and all. Slowly I started renting out that car. That is how I came into car rental business.